How to create a mirror text effect in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up MS Word in your PC, and just like that, simply tap on the Insert tab. From here, tap on Text Box, then select Simple Text Box and resize it as you need. Once you've done that, you need to go ahead and simply tap on Shape Effect, select 3D Rotation. Now scroll down to 3D option, scroll down, and just like that, set the X rotation to 180 degrees. After that, you want to go ahead and simply go to 3D format, tap on this drop down of material, select translucent. Now tap on lighting, select spatial. After that, simply tap on fill, then select no fill. Make sure no line is selected as well. Once you have done that, your mirror text effect is now ready. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.